Hey everyone, Jesse here, and this is a bit of an update video for the channel. Now before I get into the update, I wanted to respond to a comment on the last one because I figured out I didn't need a whole video to address it. So I got a comment on the last video asking how programmers collaborate on large projects. So to put it simply, programmers collaborate the exact same way everybody else does. They use source control. Now what source control is essentially a central repository where everybody puts all their files that they've been working on. The repository that they're putting their files on will have something installed like GitHub or Perforce on it, and that'll help sort all the files together and make sure there's no merge conflicts. Once everybody's pushed all their work, they can all sync up to the same central repository and have the exact same build. And you don't just put all the programming classes of the game on here, which is why I said everybody uses it. Artists put their models on there, like everything that you can think of that goes in the game gets put on Perforce, gets put on GitHub in the central repository. And yes, a lot of indie teams do use GitHub, but I would highly recommend checking out Perforce. It's my personal preference when it comes to source control, and yeah, so I recommend checking that out. So hopefully that answers your question about collaboration. I can do another video going deeper into it later if you want, but I think that should answer your question. Now on to the update part of the video. So a lot of you guys are probably surprised that I'm doing this video instead of an Unreal Engine 5 video because I said I wanted to get into the engine in the last video. And that is true. But when I tried to load up the demo that they put out, and like the one that was in the actual showcase video, I realized that my years of procrastinating on my PC build have caught up to me because my PC quite literally just can't run the demo. So I've ordered some new PC parts and they'll be here at the end of the month, but I won't be able to get out any like big scope Unreal videos until July, which is a bit disappointing, but I do have a UE5 video planned for next week, which I think will be a lot of fun. I'm doing a little bit of a competitive thing, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. I think you will. But after that video is done, I'm not entirely sure where to take the channel because I don't really want to leave you guys hanging for just 3 weeks with no videos. So what my plan currently is to go back and to continue the How to Make a Game series that I was doing before. But then when I was thinking about that, I realized that you guys might not actually be that interested in it. Now obviously there's the educational utility of it, but it might be more fun to just see me talk specifically about the things that are more interesting. For instance, like how to make a level, how to compose a song for your game, those kinds of like actual like material things rather than just going through all of the theory about what you should be doing to make sure your game's successful. So I'm going to make a straw poll and link it down in the description as to whether or not I should continue the old series I was doing or whether or not I should just do segmented, not chronological videos at all on just random video game development topics that you guys are interested in. So please answer the poll because I don't know what to do with the channel. I'll default probably to the tutorial series, but if you guys want to see something else, let me know. But that just about wraps up this update video. I'll end it off with thank you. I was completely blown away by the reception of the last one. I never thought in a million years that it would have blown up as much as it did, so thank you all for watching, and thank you for all the positive comments. It really motivates me to make more videos. So as always, that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Later.